Last season, the Tinley Park Titans went 2-2 in conference, and their notable wins were against Bremen and TF North. Senior quarterback Evan King rushed for 424 yards and 9 touchdowns in just 4 games last season. And he's not the only one who had success last season.
Our all-conference players was Matt McCarthy, me, Jack Buller, Zyshawn Scroggins, and Sam Okawale.
Senior linebacker Matthew McCarthy led the team with 43 tackles last season and hopes to achieve even more this year.
We all played really well, and our most notable win was probably the Bremen win.
Both McCarthy and King did a lot to prepare for the upcoming season.
We lifted all pandemic, and then right after the junior season was done, we lifted again and worked on our speed.
Strength training, working on my speed and explosiveness.
Both King and McCarthy are wanting to accomplish a lot of different things this year.
My goals are to take the team to playoffs, deep into playoffs, and then, just beat Bremen again.
To make All-State. Just the biggest spot you can be in.
Good luck this season. For the Titan Cast Sports, I'm Brody reporting.